Have you ever seen someone do this gesture and say, chef's kiss? In this video, I'll show you what it means, when to use it, and how it became such a popular way to say something is just perfect. Let's go! Esta expresión la usamos para mostrar que algo es perfecto, excelente o delicioso, como si un chef profesional lo aprobara con un beso en los dedos. El gesto típico de los chefs italianos. Chef's kiss. A gesture or phrase used to show something is perfect, excellent, or done beautifully. Her performance in that scene? Chef's kiss. Su actuación en esa escena? Una maravilla. This pasta is amazing. Chef's kiss. Esta pasta está increíble. Perfecta. A veces se acompaña del gesto de juntar los dedos de una mano, como besándolos, y soltarlos al aire con un moi. And that's it. Next time you see something absolutely perfect, a dish, a plan, even a great joke, just say, chef's kiss. Want more quick expressions like this? Check out the English in a Flash playlist. See you next time. Ah,